What is up, guys? Flipping Kicks here, bringing you a breakdown and results video of a soul unyellowing and reglue on these 2009 Space Jams. Now, as you can see, there's already some separation and these are worn. Before we really get into this, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, help me get this channel up and running. Be sure to turn up the volume to listen to this, and results of the work are at the end. As always, thank you for watching. Okay, now that these are all separated, I'm going to unyellow these and reglue them and then bring you guys the results. Ready? Here you go. Fully unyellowed, soul reglued, 2009 Space Jam 11s. This is most likely one of the iciest pairs in existence currently, only because of the recent work done to it. After this clip, I'll throw in some detailed photos, but if you'd like to view more, you can head over to my Instagram, flippin_kicks, for more detailed pictures. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed.